I am Vishweshwar, General Manager, Syndicate Bank, Hyderabad, the regional office. With me is Shri A.S. Rao, the Regional Director, Reserve Bank of India, is also on the board. This program is today we have launched this financial inclusion program, and all the villages, especially where the population is more than 2,000, will be covered by 2012, and then those villages where the population is less than 2,000, that will be covered by 2013. We can't have everywhere brick and mortar branches. So we have branches, then we'll also be using we'll be assisted by BCs, called the business correspondent, who will be the link between the bank and the villages and the people who will be banking through us. All types of facilities will be provided to them, but initially the scheme is to see that they don't have to travel all the way to a branch, because they'll be working in rural areas, they may not have time to travel. The money spent in traveling to a branch will be much more than the money they get either by the NRG payment or the social security payment or any other payment which the government gives. The idea is that they should not spend much time. The bank will be at doorsteps to give them the assistance. First of all, even to get their minimum payment also, they have to come to a bank. They have to travel a lot of money. So suppose they get a payment of say 500 rupees, 1000 rupees. No frill accounts are being opened with Syndicate Bank and all the branches, where they don't have to spend much money even for opening account. And we'll be giving smart cards. So we'll be handheld machines are there, where the thumb impressions have been recorded, and there can't be any, nobody can misuse their account, number one. We also have voice recorder. Now suppose I am there, my card is there, the machine will ask for the fingerprint, it will be logged in. The BC also will have a MasterCard. So once it accepts, then they'll say, suppose I want to draw 400 rupees. I'll say I want to draw 400 rupees. I'll be telling orally also, that will also be recorded. So that even if a person is blind, but he can hear, he will be knowing how much money is being drawn. So nobody can misuse the amount to be drawn. The facility ultimately, initially, it will be for this scheme, but then this will be extended for various other schemes when they want any loan assistance for their own activity, for starting their small business activity. All types of assistance, financial assistance will be given to them directly. See, wherever we have brick and mortar branches, they are already doing. This idea is to cover those villages, those far off places where we don't have such branches. They will be through the BCs, business correspondents. So we have full-fledged system. They will be trained, they have been trained. So smart cards will be issued, they are having microchips in between. Every data is already stored in those master cards. So there is absolutely no chance for any misuse, no chance for anybody else drawing the money. It's very safe. They don't have to spend any money, any time in going to branch and getting things done. They begin passbooks, everything be recorded. They begin a receipt also. They can also deposit the money in their installments. They can also, whatever savings they do, that also they can do through machines. They get an instant receipt on that.